everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go and get started. Hope everyone had a great day. Hey, Saga, welcome, Saga, welcome. All right, guys. We had some continued selling in the markets, equity markets today. Um, we'll take a look at the big picture just to make sure that everything is still in order. All right. So, you guys, if you can see here, right here, the Dow, not by much, right? Dow was down 70 points. So, it wasn't, 400 or 500 points. All right. But it is, we've had selling just about every day this week. All right. Let's make sure things are still in order. Okay. Um, All right. So on the Dow weekly time frame, just a bit of a pullback right here. Still green candles. All right. We don't want that the current week right here to turn into a white candle. All right. We are right here. We're right at the all-time highs, guys. Okay. So we just need that. We just need buyers to hold. Right. We don't want this to happen here or even this right here. So we need it to hold and then break through resistance. So that's on the Dow. The Nasdaq, yeah, again, still a bit of a pullback. No white candles there. All right, no white candles. Uh, and S&P, same thing. So just a bit of a pullback this week. All right. All right. So just keep that in mind. All right. There's a bug there. All right. Think I got it. All right. Russell, holding here. All right. Let's take a look. No, that's on the weekly big picture. Let's take a look here at the daily. So we do have new support and resistance here on the NASDAQ. All right. So this might be a concern here. All right. So here is resistance here. All right. So we do have pretty strong resistance building here and a bit of a pullback. All right. That's on the NASDAQ. And you guys know we've been giving picks out in technology stocks. So no, but again, no white candles, right? That's the first indication that things might, right? Buyers might slow down. So no white candles, still green candles. Buy signals are still intact. VIX is still below 13, so 1297. That's all good. Okay, I want to take a quick look at the sectors here. So tech sector is still the number one sector. All right. A bit of a pullback, purpose support and resistance. So we need to keep an eye on that. All right. Where is communication services right here? All right. White candles here. All right. So that is a concern with communication services. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's go through current positions. Current positions. White candle here on the dollar. All right. So we should have seen some movements. All right. In those dollar pairs, guys, we've been adding. All right. And the dollar's up right now. That's not good for the equity markets. All right. That is not good for the equity markets. But good for the dollar positions. All right. Okay, so monster scalper, long positions. So pound SGD, all right, pound SGD, first one here, all right, buy signal here, broke support, red candle, sell signal, exit signal by your system. So close that trade, please, all right. Pound SGD, close that trade. And then the only other long group pairs that we have are the dollar pairs. Okay, so let's go over those. All right, USD MXN, red candle here, close the trade. All right, USD MXN, close that trade. Surprising on that move there. All right, USD ZAR. So dollars are that's holding resistance right here. Again, a very choppy chart, but we're looking for a break. All right. Buy signal was here. Here was our entry right about here, looking to break through resistance. Dollars are. All right. A USD CNH. Okay. Buy signal here. This one is holding. Right. So far, holding right here. And if the dollar index moves higher, right, it should move higher. USD DKK moving up nicely, guys. All right, so buy signal was here, moving up nicely. We needed to try to get to resistance up here. So USD DKK holding fine. USD CZK. All right, this one is moving slowly higher. Need to break through resistance right here. All right, and target up here. USD NOK. All right, USD NOK. Buy signal was here. I think we got in right about this area here. Right, moving up nicely. Resistance up here. Hopefully that's the target right up here. Okay. All right. So we do have some nice traction with the dollar pairs. All right, USD HUF. All right, a decent markdown phase. Let's do this. I would say about here. All right, nice buy signal here. All right, we needed to get up to this area here. You guys, if you wanted to, you can add on new on the reaccumulation phase. Okay, so where you have new support and resistance coming in, as long as they're yellow support and resistance, you can add. Okay, so USD HUF. All right, so those are the longs. In Monster Scalper, we've got some shorts there. Let's take a look at the shorts. All right. So SGD, JPY, that short is still doing well. All right. Just keep an eye on support. We have support down in this area here. Sell short signal is here, right? We got sellers came back in. All right. Right. Current big right here, guys. Big red candle looking to test, right? Support right here. Redistribution. So good chance it could break through that support here. Okay, so good job there. SGD JPY, HKD JPY. All right, sell short signal is here. We've got some white candles, but we've got a red candle coming in here. So sellers are coming back in. All right, we need that price to move lower, break through support down here. Just keep in mind though, we have support here. So we would really need to get through this area here for this pair to move lower. Okay. HKD JPY. Pound yen. Look at pound yen, guys. Great short going here with pound yen. Sell short signal is here, right? It's breaking through redistribution right here, breaking through support here. Then we've got another area here. Looks like it should get through that area, right? Big candle developing here. Sellers are definitely taking over that price action. We've got some support here, and then but your larger support area is here. So we'll bring in our target for the short right about here. We've got really good support here. Okay. And then this one here, HKD. We've got a target here, and then we'll see if it could break through. All right. Breakthrough support down here. SGD JPY. I would say support on this one. would be, let's say, about right about here for support. Okay, so good risk reward on these shorts here. So not bad. We've got some shorts, we've got some longs. All right. So long the dollar, short the yen. All right. Um, EUR US with, let's see, TRY. All right, TRY JPY. All right, TRY JP, that close, guys. All right, that close today. Sell short signal here. All right, hit resistance here. All right, buy to cover. So close that trade. TRY JPY. All right, close that trade. Short in Monster Scalper. Okay. Euro dollar. All right, euro dollar doing well, right? As the dollar pairs move higher, this inverse will move lower. So euro dollar, good short going there, guys. All right, let's bring in our target down here. All right. Okay. We've got some support, right? Previous resistance is support. We'll do two levels on this one here. So here, all right, here, and then um, here. Okay. All right. All right. That's EUR USD, EUR HKD. All right. Another good short going there. We'll do the same thing. Two levels of support. All right. Now both of these euro pairs do not have any support and resistance, right? So they're a falling knife right now. So just let them run. But just know we do have support lower down. All right, that could slow the price down. So I would say anywhere in this area here, we could see some slowing in the price, and we could look to exit the trade. Okay. All right. All right. Our Forex dominator. All right. So not bad. Not bad. Trades going there in Monster Scalper. Okay. Um, Forex dominator. Long positions. Long positions. All right. CHF JPY, that's holding here. All right, let's move this. All right, we're going to do, let's see how this reacts. All right, we need buyers to hold and continue to move higher. Okay, but remember, the yen pairs are under pressure here. We're shorting them here in Monster Scalper. Long, right? Long in Forex Dominator. So keep an eye on these. White candle there. So um, this one here, pound, all right, pound yen. It's holding that trend line there, guys. Right here is resistance here. All right, failing to stay above resistance. White candles here. You know that yen pair, yen will really move. All right, and we're shorting it here. I would say, look at every single day, guys. We're getting lower highs, lower lows, white candles here. Buy signal is right here, so we are right at that buy signal here. I'd say close this trade here. Okay, so pound yen. Pound yen, you know, we could get buyers to come back in. We'll take a look at it then if that happens. But sellers could definitely come in and push that price lower. Also, pound yen, close the trade. Pound yen. Okay, so in Forex dominator long. Okay, New Zealand yen, that's holding so far. But again, that's the yen pair, so keep an eye on it. All right, let's go back to Swiss yen. Swiss yen is still holding. Aussie CAD, the CAD pairs. All right. Buy signal here, right? Retrace wide candles. Keep an eye on it. I want to take a look at the other. Um, Look at pound CAD, guys. It really is failing. All right. To stay above resistance here. All right. A bit of a pullback here. That's struggling. Okay. Now, what we could see white candles come in just like it did here. Red candles come in. Okay. So that's a tricky trade. We'll hold it for now. All right. New Zealand CAD is holding here. All right. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD is holding. Um, so they're holding right now, but yeah, I would say a white candle comes in, just close. I would just close it. All right. So keep an eye on the CAD pairs. Okay, the Canadian dollar pairs. Keep an eye on those. All right. EURTRY still holding its buy signal there. Okay. All right. Short, we have one short in Forex Dominator. And then we'll take a look at equities. All right. So EURSEK short. That's the only current short in Forex Dominator right now. And this short is doing well. Look at that. All right. Sell short signal is here. Right. Keeps moving lower. Target is right here. So we are almost near our target right here. And then we have further support. So if it breaks through that support, we'll watch it closely. We get a white candle, so we'll close the trade. Okay. You guys can also bring in a smaller time frame to manage the exit, but no need to do that. Right. We do not have any new support and resistance lines. All right. So it's still moving lower there, but decent short in Forex Dominator there. All right. Let's take a look at the current positions in equities. All right. So Stock Boss, long positions in Stock Boss. We'll go through these quickly, guys. All right. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right. So as we go through these, like usual, right? White candles. No, we had some selling, not a lot, right? But we did have some selling today. And it is across all the indexes. So we'll make sure, find out if these stocks, if the stocks are holding, okay? In Stock Boss and Bull Master. All right. Remember, Stock Boss is at stocks under $10 and mainly technology stocks, okay? All right. So the white candles, right? We'll slow it down, right? Take a look at it. Whether we need to keep it or close it. Red candles, right? We'll close the trade. White arrows, like right here. White arrows will exit the trade also. All right. So first one here, VLSR, VLSR. Hold on. All right. All right, VLSR buy signal, guys, trading up nicely. Look at this markdown phase. Great markdown phase. AM, all right, AMSC, all right, moving up nicely there. All right, ANGI, all right, good trade going there. Let's bring in a target here. Now, that doesn't mean we'll get out here, right? Right. Certainly could break through, but buy signal here moving up nicely. All right. AUR, same thing here. AUR, right? Moving up nicely here. Bringing our target here. All right. All right. AVPT, that's holding. All right. BKKT, that's holding, guys. CLBT, holding. CLSK, look at that, guys. made a move higher today. Good job there. CLVT trading up nicely. DDD trading good. DH, that's holding purpose support and resistance. So keep an eye on that one there. INDI, that's trading up nicely. IREN trading up nicely there. MGNI, that's holding. MVIS, that's holding. NVTS, holding. Almost broke resistance, close below. OUST, that's holding. Look at PRCH, guys. PRCH completed that V right there. Right, good markdown phase, right? Buy signal here. This one here broke through that resistance. Look at that. Look at this candle today, guys. Big candle came in today. All right, so good trade going here. PRCH. QS, that's holding early in stage. SMRT. All right, let's do this. Let's see if this one can break through that resistance. All right. If they're able to break through that resistance, guys, that's an area where you could add to your trade. Okay. UIS, right? Getting up there to that resistance. Buy signal all the way down here. Okay. UIS. WISH, that's holding. WULF, that's holding near the buy signal. All right. AIV, let's bring in our resistance right here. All right. AIV holding well there. All right. BDN holding. BIG holding. EGHT holding. Looking to break resistance. GDRX, right? That's holding. Look at HNST, guys. All right. We've got a target all the way up here. All the way up here. All right. So good move there. All right. HNST. All right. HPP. All right. HUYA. All right. That's holding. White candle, guys. Let's take a quick look. We've got a white candle here. Take a look at the weekly time frame. See what's happening on that weekly. All right. So far, that weekly time frame is holding that trend line here. Okay. So it might hold this week. We'll keep looking at it, but nothing to change yet. Okay. So back to the daily. So it's just holding here. Okay. All right. That is HUYA. Okay. IHRT, that's holding. Look at ILPT, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Here is where we've got resistance here. Let's see how it reacts to that resistance. All right. Hopefully it breaks through. Right. So resistance is here. And nice price action buy signal here. Okay. And we've got pretty decent resistance here. Okay. All right. ILPT. LUMN, that's holding there. Early move. All right. MCW. Look at that, guys. Nice move right here. All right. Nice markdown phase. Right. Perfect trade going here. Buy signal here. All right. We just need to get the resistance and see how it reacts. Okay. To that resistance there. All right. NDLS, that's holding. So most of these are holding, guys. NEGG, all right, a bit of a pullback there, but holding. NMRK, all right, that's trading nicely. OPEN, all right, looking to get the resistance here. Nice markdown phase there. OPEN. OPI, that's holding. New trade there. QRTEA holding. All right. TV. right? Setting up nicely. BBD, look at that, guys. Almost, look at this, right? Perfect trading here, okay? All right, looking to get to resistance up here, okay? BRCC, that's trading up nicely there. All right, STKL, all right, let's bring in a bit of a pullback today on this one. But all green candles, nothing to do. We just need some buying, guys. We need some buying in the equity markets. Okay. All right. GPRO buy signal here. All right. Still holding fine. All right. AMBP. Now, guys, this one here, it gapped down. All right. Traded below resistance right here, but we did have an up day on this one here. Okay, so it was up 2%. I believe it or not, 2% on a stock is good, right? So AMBP held up close right here. All right, so hopefully, right, it can get back above resistance. That's the concern right now. All right, to get back above resistance. Then the next area would be up here. All right, but we need to see how if we could get past that resistance, we can. All right, get past that resistance there. Okay. All right. So nothing to do with it. Just hold for now. Hold it. DNN, holding. BND, look at this one, guys. All right, good markdown phase. Right, buy signal moving up nicely here. Target right here. Okay. And that's the last one with stock boss. Now let's take a look at bull master. Okay. All right. So bull master, remember these stocks are a bit higher now, over $10. Large caps, right? Most of these are large cap stocks. Okay. All right. Same thing. White candles will stop. Take a look at it. Um, Red candles close the trade. Right. White sell signal by our system close the trade. First one here is S, right? Nice trade going there. Gapped up today, guys. Really big gap up. All right. Good trade going there. Let's see if we have a target. Target would be about right up here as a target. Okay. So good trade here. Good gap up on a down day too. Okay. All right. That's S. All right. VRNT. VRNT. A bit of a pullback today. All right. A bit of a pullback. Target is up here. Okay. Now we do have some, some support right here. Let's put it here for now. And if it gets past here, we could move it higher. VRNT. All right. BRZE trading nicely, moving higher. EYE holding. All right, ULTR. Look at ULTR, guys. Nice gap up, moving up to that target there. Good trade going. Buy signal all the way down here. Let's look at this buy signal here. Okay, that buy signal all the way up here, guys. Down here, moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. KRC, guys, right? Reached that target today. All right. Gapped up today. Right. Trading right at that resistance. We'll see how it behaves. Okay. Buy signal here. FVRR holding. TSME holding. Snap. Look at Snap. Continuing to move higher, guys. Let's see if we have another level here for Snap. All right. The next level is right here. Okay. What is that price? That's about 127, 128. I'm sorry, 20, 27, 28. All right. It's trading at 1477. Buy signal was at 10. So we do have some additional upside on this trade here. So Snap looking good. SNAP. All right, SDGR, that's holding. All right. GPS, good trade going there. AMBA, that's holding. BYON, guys, BYON, good setup here, good markdown phase, nice accumulation, buy signal moving up nicely. All right. Hopefully it gets up to this area here. STNE, look at that, breaking resistance. Let's see if we have another level here of resistance as a target there. All right, the next level, um, let's just move this up here, okay? So long way from the next target there. AMD holding. DV, right, trading up nicely there, heading to that target. Um, SWI, guys, right at that target, just holding there. All right, a bit of a pullback. If you get a white candle there, just close the trade. Okay, hopefully it breaks through that resistance and makes another level higher. IAS holding. Look at GoDaddy continuing to move higher, guys. GDDY continuing to move higher. Good trade going. WCC, all right, a bit of a pullback, but holding. HUBS holding. SNOW right at that target. Keep an eye on it. A bit of a pullback. All right. We need that to break through. We need SNOW to break through. All right. Otherwise, if it gives a first hint of a white candle, close the trade. Okay. Like it's done here in the past. Okay. So any hint for white candle up here, close the trade. Okay. That's SNOW. All right. DOCN. Let's bring in our target here. All right. All right. Right up here. Good markdown phase, buy signal holding nicely there. Okay. DOCN. PI trading up nicely there. All right. Trying to get to that target. All right. KTOS moving up nicely. PANW. Look at that. MSTR, all right, broke resistance, moving up nicely there. All right, ETSY, all right, good move here. We have a near-term resistance right here. All right, near-term resistance right here, buy signal here. Let's see if we can get to this area first, okay, before we target this area, because we do have. This is where buyers failed before, so that is a concern. Okay, Riot moving up nicely. All right, there, Riot. All right, CRDO holding. All right, PLTR, guys, closed. All right, PLTR, all right, failed to stay above resistance here, came back down, gap down, red candle. Nothing we can do about that. All right, so close the trade. All right, PL, that's too bad. PLTR, close the trade there. Okay. And here, PLTR, close the trade. All right. All right. SYM, a bit of a pullback here. Okay. Let's take a look at, that's the daily here. I want to take a quick look at the 60-minute. All right. So we have sellers coming in here on the 60-minute, guys. Let's see here. Okay. All right. So this is a concern. This is where sellers came in before. Look here. Looks very similar, right? So it's not holding at resistance. All right. Not holding here. All right. Let's bring this down here. All right. So this is a concern. It's all the way down here. Right now, it's in a little bit of profit. Right. We have sellers on the 60-minute. All right. There's a good chance if this doesn't hold, it could come all the way back down. So we'll close this one. SMY. Close the trade. SMY. All right. And we have one more in Bull Master. All right. The last one, AI. We have a white candle here on AI. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. On the weekly time frame, right, it's consolidating. All right. We have a white candle on the week, and it's really cut between support here and resistance here. Not breaking out. All right. So we'll close this one also. All right. That's the daily here. All right. So AI closed that trade there. All right. So that's it for equities. Based on what the markets is, the equity market is doing, guys, right? We've had selling today. We will not add any positions. Okay. Today with equities, we'd like to add when the markets are up. Okay. So down there today, we will not add. So we'll take a look. Let's take a look at a Forex. Going into next year, the new year, we have, just so you guys know, we are doing an upgrade on Sniper Trader. And then we have our other systems. We'll start looking at our other systems for the new year too. Okay. We'll try to spread things around. Okay. All right, so monster scalper longs, okay, longs. So dollar ZAR, we know we're in that one. USD TRY, nothing there. SGD, so we are not in that one. We'll add it, okay? So USD SGD long in monster scalper, okay? And we have a buy signal here, a decent markdown phase, guys. Buy signal here. We just need to break through that resistance, and then we have a target. All right, we'll put that target up here where that last buy signal failed here. Okay, so USD SGD and the dollar index has a white candle going up, so that's good. USD SEK, no buy signal. No buy signal on that one yet. Keep an eye on it though, guys. This is a good one setting up there. USD SEK, good markdown phase. All right. And good potential target there. All right. USD PLN. We'll add this one also. We've been waiting for a buy signal on this one. So buy signal came in here. All right. Still holding good markdown phase. We'll bring in a first target right up here. Okay. All right. So USD PLN. All right. That's the only long, the dollar pairs are the only long opportunities we have right now. Okay. That's USD PLN. USD NOK. We are ready in this one here. Let's bring in our target. Right here, resistance right here. We could get some resistance here, but let's focus on this one here. Okay. USD MXN, right? That one failed. Okay, so nothing there. All right, USD HUF. USD HUF. We're ready in that one. Let's bring in our resistance above is about right here. Okay. All right. This is where buyers came in before. So I keep an eye on that. Setting up nicely there. Okay. We're ready in that one. USD HKD. All right. This one closed for a decent trade here, guys. USD. All right. USD HKD. All right. Now we weren't in this one. All right. This was the one that we let run as a leader. All right. It did close. All right. So keep an eye on it. Didn't quite make it all the way up. So buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, white arrow here. All right. So take profits. And but there's a good chance it could give another buy signal. But for now, right, USD HKD, we're not touching it. USD DKK. All right, we're in this one already. Buy signal here, moving up nicely to the target there. USD CZK, same thing here. Buy signal here. Let's move that target to about right up here. See what it does. Okay. All right. USD CNH. All right. This was a new one we added. Okay. Breaking resistance there. We can move this to about right here. All right. That would be great if we could make it all the way up here, right? USD CNH, we already sent that out. Dollar Swiss, keep an eye on dollar Swiss. Okay, all we need here is a buy signal, guys. All right, we need green candles to come in, buy signal. Dollar CAD, same thing. We just need a buy signal. Okay, all right. So that's the dollar pairs. You guys can see here, definitely buyers are coming in the dollar pairs. Let's see if we can find some isolated longs here. All right, nothing here. Pound ZAR, nothing here. All right, nothing with the pound pairs. Quick shorts. So the dollar, guys, the dollar. We might find some shorts. You guys know we have some shorts already in the yen pairs. Let's take a look here. All right, so Aussie, Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. That's the inverse, right? Aussie dollar. Short in monster scalper. Okay, and let's bring in a target here. No guarantees it will get to these targets, but right. And this doing this will help us keep focus right on the goal. Okay, so Aussie dollar sell short signal is here. Red candles. We just need to break through. Right, that's redistribution right here. That purpose support there. Okay, Aussie dollar. Aussie New Zealand already broke. All right, Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Swiss. Very choppy here. Aussie Swiss. All right. Aussie CAD. And we'll be done. Aussie CAD. That looks like it wants to recapture that trend line, guys. Okay, so New Zealand dollar. All right. Too early for New Zealand dollar, but I suspect we could break through, get a sell short signal. Right. Nothing there. Nothing there. ZAR yen. ZAR yen. Good short going here with ZAR yen, guys. Right. Good short going there with ZAR yen. All right. Dollar yen. All right. Very choppy. All right. No good there. SGD JPY. We're already in this short. Hold on. All right. So we're already in this one. NZD JPY. Let's add NZD JPY. I know it's choppy in here. We've got to get past support here. But if we can get past this resistance, right? Previous resistance is support. Okay, we could move lower here. All right, what's nice about it, right? It's done the pullback already. We've got red candles coming in here, sell short signal here. So we'll add NZD, JPY short, and we're already in 3 shorts. Okay, pound yen, SGD, HKD, now New Zealand yen. Okay, HKD, here's HKD. We're in that one. Pound yen right here. Euro yen. All right, Euro yen. Good trade going there with Euro yen. Swiss yen. Nothing there. CAD yen. All right, nothing there. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen hasn't really gone down a lot, so we'll add Aussie yen. AUD, JPY short in monster scalper, guys. Okay. Target, we can look for a target down here. All right. Target all the way down here. All right. Let's see here. Euro dollar, we're in euro dollar short. Let's see if we can add a few more here. TRY. We can add TRY. So EUR, TRY, short in monster scalper. All right. We'll look for a target. All right. We'll look for a target right about here. Okay. All right. SGD, that's gone. SEK, that's gone already. All right. That's deep in the markdown phase. Deep in the markdown phase. HKD, we're already in this one here. Let's put a target on this one. All right. Right here. And right here. Okay. All right. Euro pound, that's gone. Nothing here. All right. That's gone. Euro CHF. Good short here. If anyone got this, good short. Euro CAD. All right. Pound dollar. All right. So we're going to add pound dollar short, guys. All right. So GBP USD short in monster scalper. Okay. We'll bring in a target down here. Okay. Pound SGD. All right. Same thing here. Pound SGD short. GBP SGD short in monster scalper. Okay. Short signal here. It's choppy, guys. It's very choppy, but let's bring a support line here as a target. Okay. It is choppy. Pound PLN, nothing here. HKD. All right. We'll also add HKD. GBP, HKD short in monster scalper. All right. Sell short signal is here, guys. Right. Early sell short signal. Perfect there. And target, we'll bring that in. Right. All the way down here. Okay. If it could make it down here. Pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss. Sell short signal is here. It's breaking support right here. All right. We'll add it. Risk reward is not as great. All right. right? But we'll add it. Look for it to get down here. So pound. So the pound pairs are going down, guys. Pound CHF short in Monster Scalper. Okay. Let's take a quick look at Forex Dominator, right? And then we'll be done. All right. Longs. We're in that one. Nothing here. New Zealand dollar. All right, let's look for shorts. All right. All right, so CAD yen. We have two shorts currently. Swiss yen and New Zealand yen in Forex Dominator. So we'll add CAD yen short in Forex Dominator. Okay. So right here, guys, sell short signal here. Sellers are coming in, right? Need to break through that support. Target is all the way down here. Okay. All right. Euro yen. We just need a sell short signal. This one is setting up nicely. HKD, JPY. All right, we'll add this one here. HKD, JPY, short in Forex Dominator. Okay. Sell short signal is here, right? It's rejecting resistance. All right. First target is right here. Right here. Okay. All right. HKD, JPY. SGD, JPY. We just need a sell short signal here. So if I forget, guys, remind me, right? We need to go over these, all right, tomorrow, right? We just need a sell signal to come in. TRY, JPY, nothing here. USD, JPY, let's add this one here, okay? Sell short signal here, failing resistance, right? Failing resistance, sellers are coming in. First target right here. All right. That's USD JPY short in Forex Dominator. Okay, good setup here. Looking to break through support. I'm sorry, yellow support and resistance. Just keep that in mind. Okay. Right. No sell short signal there. Nothing here. All right, EUR SEK, we're going to add EUR CZK, okay? Let's remove this. So EUR CZK short in Forex Dominator, okay? And we'll be done in a minute, guys. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right, EUR NZD sell short signal here. Support is right here. We need to get through this area here. All right, we do have near-term support right here. So target would be, oh boy. All right. Let's pass on this one here. Okay. That's gone. All right, this one is gone. That's we're in this one here, EUR CZK. And nothing here. All right, so we have a lot of A lot of monster scalper opportunities. All right. So what's that? About 12, 13 in monster scalper. Okay. Our US 30 traders, um, we are holding off on long positions. Okay. So right now, right, we don't have any positions. Okay. So just hold off. Right. It's trading between support and resistance right now. Okay. So no one is in control. Buyers are not in control. Sellers are not in control. So just hold off for now. All right. NAS 100. Okay. Same thing. We have a wider area here. Okay. So we wouldn't go short yet. Don't go short yet. Okay. Buyers are still in control, right? On the daily time frame, a pullback here. Now, if we start to see a white candle coming here on the daily, all right, then we'll change our mind. But so far, right, just consolidating, no buy signals, right? No sell signals. So just hold off on trading the US 30. You can trade it on your smaller time frames, right? So you might find an opportunity on your smaller time frames, but just wait, just wait. All right. Okay, guys. Hey, thanks for coming. Take care. Have a great evening, and I'll see everyone.